Let's make my Mosaic Retreat quilt pattern, which uses only a layer cake. Now for the fabrics, I am using Gail Lorraine from Art Gallery Fabrics, which I will have a link down below in the description for you to purchase from a quilt store that I trust and also personally shop at. Now with each layer cake 10-inch square, you're going to measure 5 inches to the right on the bottom of your 10-inch square, and then angle your ruler to the top left-hand corner. And then go ahead and make your cut with your rotary cutter, and that's it. Very simple, and only one single cut is needed. Now don't forget, I will have that free PDF pattern available down below in the description. Mosaic Retreat is available in 5 quilt sizes: baby, throw, twin, queen, and king. Once everything is cut, you're going to sew it all back together again. So go ahead and mix up your prints, and we are going to sew it back together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now do make sure you have a dog ear roughly a 1/4 inch sticking out on the 5-inch side. This side is technically more important, but also this block is technically smaller than needed. But do not stress over that, because once you've sewn it together, we are now going to square our block to a 9-inch square. And that's it. So go ahead and repeat everything until you've made enough for the quilt size that you have selected. And then once all of your blocks are made, it is time to lay your quilt out, which all you'll be doing is rotating every other block 90 degrees. Then, as always, sew your blocks together to form rows, and then lastly, sew the rows together to complete your quilt top. And here's what my quilt top looks like all finished. And as for the backing, I am using a wildflower print, which honestly has been my favorite throughout this whole entire collection. And then for the thread choices, I am using glide thread in peach. And here is what my Mosaic Retreat quilt looks like all quilted out. And I do hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial. If you could please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.